I'm here again with Dr. Mark Ofua, and we're about to continue our conversation about our wildlife in Nigeria and how we can preserve them. Now, I'm looking at the social media at Wild African Fund. So in a post, it says over 70% of human diseases originated from animals. There are mixed feelings and opinions in the comment section. Some people are saying, keep them wild, keep us safe. Not every bushmeat we should consume. With this rate of deadly diseases without cure, these days, humans shouldn't be eating any bushmeat in the forest. Some people are saying, we'll eat them and we'll be fine, they are drugs. So what do you think about this? And also the follow-up question is, what diseases come from animals?
Diseases that we can catch from animals are called zoonoses or zoonotic diseases. Over 70% of human diseases that we deal with today originate from animals. So these diseases have been with us for a while. We are used to them. We have drugs and treatment for them. But the danger now is because we keep going into the wild to catch these animals, there is the danger of bringing animals with diseases that we have not been introduced to yet, that we do not have immunity to, we do not have drugs to. Now, these are going to be very devastating. I did research on pangolins recently, and I found about 70-something bacteria that pangolins were carrying. These things go to the bushmeat market. Now, on the table where the pangolin is, there's a dead monkey, there's a dead civet, there's a crocodile, there's a snake. These diseases, they have an opportunity to mix. And then the people handling them, you think you're touching grass cutter, but the grass cutter has been with pangolin, has been with monkey, has been with XYZ. So you see, when we bring these animals into our markets, the bushmeat market, the traditional markets, we're exposing ourselves to these diseases. Ebola virus. I remember how it came to Nigeria and we froze with fear. Lassa fever. Now, if a lot of people haven't heard about Lassa fever, but I tell you, Lassa fever has killed more people in Nigeria than the COVID-19 virus did. HIV, do you know it's of animal origin?
Oh, really?
Oh, yes. It's of animal origin. There is monkeypox. It's in Nigeria, it's resident. And then one that came in very recent, anthrax. All these are diseases that are contracted from our inordinate relationship with bushmeat. Now, let me tell you one interesting part. Nature has another line of defense it puts in place to protect humanity. Animals like scavengers, for example, the vultures. Now, the vulture has a very interesting stomach. It's highly acidic, and they can eat anything, and it really doesn't affect them. So when animals with these diseases, anthrax and all that, when they die, vultures eat them up, and that's the end of the anthrax.
Oh, wow.
But by the time we killed all the vultures and decimate them, you find out that when these animals die with these diseases, you have other scavengers like rodents, wild dogs, wild pigs come to eat these animals.
And humans eat them.
And humans eat them, or they pass them to our domestic animals and all this, and then we get them. That's how anthrax came in. So you find out that we are actually undoing ourselves by disturbing nature, distorting nature, and killing these animals.
Wow. Wow. Once again, you have heard, you have listened. Same way I'm learning. You guys, I hope you guys are also learning. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you very much, Laycon. A pleasure.